Hi guys, welcome to Filmy Fitness. This is Amantin, and today is the day one of our training.
First of all, let's check the weight. It's 77 kg. That means I need to lose around 5
For
kg.
that, I will follow 10 weeks lean gain program. So if you have similar goal, then let's get fit together.
Let's warm up for at least 10 minutes. I'm choosing to do cycling. You can do anything like treadmill, cross trainer, whatever you like. As I am starting after a long time, I wanted to activate all my muscles. So today I am starting with compound and isolation exercise. The first thing I do before starting my workout is to mix EAA. That is the essential amino acid with the glutamine. They both help in muscle recovery, prevent muscle loss, and also helps in nutrient absorption. Let's begin with goblet squat. Some people think it's just for lower body, but actually it's a full body movement. I'm doing it with the dumbbell of 20 pounds. You can choose any weight according to your strength. In this exercise, I like to keep my chest out, lats engaged, tuck in the pelvic, core tight, hips slightly backward, toes slightly out. After my last set, I'm sipping up my drink. Moving on to second exercise, that is walking lunges. I'm taking 10 pounds in each hand. Keep your steps small and try to maintain 90-degree angle with the both legs. I go as low as I can, trying to touch my knee on the floor. In short, knee is above the ankle during the lunges. Knee of the back leg should be aligned with the hip. Muscle engaged in this exercise are abdominals, quads, calf and hamstring. Next exercise is deadlift with dumbbells. Legs should be open as wide as the width of your shoulder. I keep my knees slightly bent and locked. Don't hunch your back. The right technique to keep the back straight is to look in the mirror and to not look down on the floor. Your back will be automatically straight. It's a compound exercise. Multiple muscle groups are targeted like hamstring, glutes, erector spine, middle and upper back, trap and forearm. Let's move on to the fourth compound exercise, that is bent over with dumbbells. I will try to maintain neutral spine, keeping the knee bent and locked and chest out. Grip the dumbbell with full control. Your elbow should be aligned with your hip. Don't strain your wrist and maintain good form. Muscle involved are delt, middle and lower trap. Moving on to the next exercise, that is dips. I am holding the body above the bar with my arms nearly locked out. Contract your abs to maintain the position. In this, chest must feel the stretch. Next, we will be doing shoulder dumbbell press. I am taking 15 pounds of weight in each hand. In this exercise, raise the weight above the head with full control and maintaining proper balance. This exercise involves delt, triceps, trap and upper chest. The next exercise is dumbbell lateral raises. I keep my back straight and brace my core. Elbow slightly bent while going up. Slowly lifting the weight out to the side until my arms are parallel with the floor. Just try to get your dumbbell up to your neck. Then bring your arms back down in full control. Moving on to the single arm overhead triceps extension. In this exercise, I will keep my core tight and legs should be open as wide as the width of my shoulder. Hold a dumbbell with single hand until my arm is fully extended, bending the elbow and squeezing the triceps. The last exercise of the day is alternate dumbbell biceps curl. Taking 10-pound dumbbell and locking my elbow. Squeezing that biceps at the top, doing the full flexion of the biceps. Muscle actively involved in this exercise are upper and lower arm. Don't forget to stretch in the end to keep your muscles flexible and prevent soreness. I'm doing 10-minute walk after stretching. This is completely optional. That's all for the day. Guys, I hope this session was enjoyable and helpful. See you all tomorrow.